Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Import the PPA repo which has the latest stable OBS Studio by running next command. Also, you can import the PPA for unstable version of OBS Studio with the next command. Run the following command to reflect the new added PPA. After that, install the latest stable version with the following command. You can access OBS by running the command OBS in your terminal, or going into your desktop. There you will find the OBS by its icon. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.